By the end of this tutorial, your V380 Pro CCTV camera will be connected to your cell phone, and you'll be able to watch live video from anywhere using the V380 Pro app. Even if you've never installed a CCTV camera before, don't worry. We'll go through everything step by step. Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please help like, share, and subscribe. In today's video, I will show you how to install a V380 Pro CCTV camera on your cell phone. This guide is designed especially for beginners, so don't worry if this is your first time setting up a CCTV camera. We'll go slowly and complete everything together, step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything ready. You will need a V380 Pro CCTV camera, a cell phone connected to Wi-Fi, your Wi-Fi name and password, and a power source for the camera. Go ahead and prepare these items now. Don't worry if your camera is brand new. That's perfectly fine. Now let's install the V380 Pro application. Open Google Play Store if you're using Android. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store. Tap the search bar. Type V380 Pro, then tap Install. Wait for the installation to finish. Once installed, open the app. Here's what you should see. When the app opens, you'll be asked to sign in. If you already have an account, enter your information and log in. If you don't have an account yet, tap Register. Select your country or region. Since I'm in the Philippines, I'll select Asia and click the Confirm button. Next, enter your email address and wait for the verification code to be sent to your inbox. Type that code into the V380 Pro app and then create a password. Just follow the instructions on the screen to finish up. After registration, you can log into the application. And don't worry if the process takes a few minutes. That's completely normal. Now let's prepare the camera. Plug the camera into power. Wait about 1 minute. You may hear a voice prompt from the camera. This means the camera is starting up. Now let's connect the camera to the app. First, make sure you turn on location services on your phone. Once your location is on, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings. We need to connect directly to the CCTV camera's Wi-Fi network first so we can configure it. Next, open the V380 Pro application. Look for the plus sign or the Add Device button and go ahead and tap it. Because we enabled our location earlier, the app will automatically detect our CCTV camera. No need to scan the barcode. Just select your detected camera from the list below. Now, let me quickly explain the difference between Internet mode and local network mode. With Internet mode, you can check your camera from wherever you are. Local network mode only lets you view it when you are within range of the camera. We're going to select Internet mode since we want to be able to view the CCTV remotely, anytime, and anywhere. The app will now ask for your home Wi-Fi information. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully, make sure there are no typing mistakes, and then tap Confirm. The CCTV camera is activating. Next, go ahead and give your camera a name. For mine, I'm going to select Doorway. Once that's saved, the app will automatically open your newly added camera, and you should immediately see the live video feed. Let's test it out together. Go ahead and wave your hand in front of the camera. If you can see the movement on your phone screen, everything is working perfectly. Great job. And that's it. Your V380 Pro CCTV camera is now connected to your cell phone and ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If the video is helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.